Hey, if you are wondering what is the maximum charging speed of the Samsung Galaxy S26, take a look. Here I have 100 watt cable connected to the 125 watt power adapter from Motorola, and let's take a look. We got 60% battery and it will reach currently around 18 or 19 watts. And if you are wondering why, by the way, it supports 25 watts, then all of the manufacturers advertise the maximum possible charging speed, but your S26 only reaches that speed under some specific conditions, like for example, the battery level, the battery temperature. So for example, it will charge at 25 watts when the battery is low, and as the battery fills up, then the phone automatically reduces the power to protect the battery and prevent overheating. So even when you got 60%, you will not charge at the full speed, unfortunately. And there is no way to fix this or bypass this. That's basically how it looks for almost every smartphone.